Welcome back, Algebra. So today we're going to be working with some statistics, and I'm really excited. I love statistics. I'm kind of a statistics geek like that, I guess. I love looking at football player statistics and statistics out in the real world. I love statistics, and they are everywhere. So let's get going. Some of these words you probably already know. A lot of this might be a review from years past, but we're going to talk about mean, median, mode, and range. Mean is the average. So to find the average, all you have to do is add up all of your numbers and then divide by however many numbers you had. The median is the middle number. So you need to put your numbers in order and then find the one that's in the middle. And the mode is the one that is used most often, or the most used. And then the range, the last word there, is the distance between our smallest number and our biggest number. So all we have to do there is subtract. So I've got a set of data over here, and let's get going and let's work to find the mean, median, mode, and range. Maybe one of the things that I would suggest doing is first putting it in order. It's just going to make it easier for us to do all of these if we put them in order. So I'll rewrite this down here. First number's 1, and then we've got a 3, and another 3, and a 5. And then we've got 3 7s, 1, 2, 3 7s, and a 12. Okay, so that's my data. Now let's find the mean. Well, all we have to do is add all of them together. So you can use your calculator, but I bet we could do this in our head also. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 3 is 7. Plus 5 is 12, plus 7 is 19, and then we're going to have 26, and then we're going to have 33, and then we're going to have 45. So when we add all of those together, we're going to get a total of 45. So let's find our mean. So how many numbers did we have? How many data points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We had 8 data points. So we added them together. Whoops. There we go. Mean. We added them together and we got 45. And there were 8 numbers total. So our mean is going to be 45 divided by 8. I guess if we wanted to change that to a fraction, we could just do that. See, that's going to be if we want to change it to a decimal, 5.625. 5.625. So that's the mean. Next, we're going to find the median. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my pen to blue, and I'm going to cross off the smallest and the largest kind of at the same time and just work backwards to the middle. So smallest, largest, smallest, largest, smallest, largest, and now I'm left with 2 numbers. Now this would be awesome if we had an odd number of data points and we were just left with 1. Then it'd be really easy. We'd just look at it and that is our answer. But here we're going to have to do a little bit more because we have 2 numbers and I can't cancel them both. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to find the mean of these 2 numbers, or the average of those 2 numbers. So let's just take those 2 in the middle, 5 plus 7, and that's 12, and then divide that by 2, and it's going to be 6. Okay, so our median is 6. So even though 6 doesn't actually show up in the data, that's still our middle point, because after we took the smallest and largest away, we were left with 2. Just find out what's in the middle. Find out the mean, or the average. Add them together, divide by 2, and we're good. Let's find the mode now. The mode is the number that is used most often. So that looks like it's going to be 7, because 7 was used 3 times, so our mode is 7. So the mean is 5.625, median is 6, the middle number is 6, and the mode, the one used most often, is 7. How about the range? Well, to find the range, all we have to do is take the biggest number minus the smallest number. So we see how far those numbers are spread. Well, the biggest one is 12. Smallest one is 1. So 12 minus 1 is just 11. Very good. No sweat. Let's do another one. Find the mean, median, and mode on this one. Okay, I think what I want to do is I want to put all of these numbers down in order again. So it looks like we have 3 10s. So I'm just going to write down 3 10s. And then we have 4 12s. Whoops. 12. And then we've got a 13 and a 14 and 2 16s. Okay, let's find the mean first. So let's add these up. So 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 times 3 is 30. I might just write my partial sums up here. 4 times 12 is 48. And 16 times 2 is 32. So if I add these, that's going to be 78. Plus 13 is going to be 91. Plus 14 is 105. Plus 32 is 137. Okay, so when I add all of them together, that's just going to be 137. So to find the mean, we need to take 137 divided by, how many were there? I could count these here. I'm going to count them up at the top. There was 3, and 4 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 137 divided by 11, let's see what that is. That's going to be 12.45 repeating. 12.45 repeating. That is our mean or our average. How about the median? The median. If I cross off the biggest and the smallest, last time I crossed off the numbers down here. This time I'm actually going to cross it off in the chart because I think that's kind of fun. So cross off the smallest and the largest, smallest and the largest, smallest and the largest, smallest and the largest. Well, now I can see obviously what it's going to be. Smallest and largest. We are just left with 12. So our median is 12. How about our mode? Which one is used most often? Well, here's the awesome thing about a line plot like this is that it's so easy to see which one is used most, and that's just going to be 12. 12 is used 4 times right there, so that is our mode. How about our range? The biggest number minus the smallest number. Biggest number is 16. Smallest number is 10. So 16 minus 10 is going to be 6. So our range is 6. Mean, add them all together, divide by the total number. Median, find the middle. Mode is most used, and range is the biggest one minus the smallest one. Okay. Let's do so. I don't think this was too difficult. I know you got it. You guys are smart and you're working hard. Keep up the good work. I know you can do this. Good luck.